Hello, Namaste. I'm here to share my experience and information on tourism in Nepal. Let's see here. Most of the people know that Nepal is famous for natural beauties, cultural heritage, and its culture. And here in the first slide, I have put some pictures. It's the picture of river rafting. Many tourists come to Nepal for river rafting, and it is very exciting and adventurous activity. And I have put another picture of Lumbini, where Lord Buddha was born. It's a pilgrimage, or this one is religious side, and this one Green Hill, famous for trekking, and this picture is for expedition. People come to climb the mountains here, and Nepal has many mountains, 8 out of 14, about 8,000 meters, including Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. Now, let's move to the next slide. Tourism in Nepal. Here I have written, Nepal is really rich in its numerous interesting cultural and natural sites. Therefore, it's equally attractive among both tourists. Here, both tourist means religious tourists or nature lovers. Obviously, Nepal has been blessed with natural beauty, while nature adventuring tourists prefer the snow-capped mountains, green hills, fast-flowing rivers, and wilderness. Okay, Nepal has lots of attractions for the travelers or visitors. Among them, I'm going to talk about river rafting in Nepal. River rafting in Nepal. Here, to meet the growing demand of nature-loving tourists, Nepal government has declared some rivers open for rafting in Nepal. Let's see the list of rivers where you can enjoy river rafting with thrilling sightseeing. Here I mean you do river rafting. When doing the river rafting, when enjoying it, you can see natural settings there and wildlife there because the river flow through the hills and different parts of Nepal. That's why it's so thrilling sights you can enjoy here. And famous rivers open for rafting are Trishul, Kali Gandaki, Morsangri, Buri Gandaki, Seti, Gotekosi, Shunkosi, Hamor, Arun, Dutkosi, Tamakosi, Karnali, Beri, and Baleshi. These are open for rafting. And the best time for river rafting in Nepal, most popular month is October. But normally, tourists come here for river rafting from September to early December, and again from March to early June. Okay, as a tourist guide, I gave you some information about tourism in Nepal and river rafting in Nepal. For more details, you can subscribe this video. Okay. Have a nice travel to Nepal. Good luck. Thank you.